Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by disconnecting the battery and relieving the charge air system. This prevents surprises. Once done, remove the intake plumbing and heat shield so you can access the compressor cover. Make sure to cap oil lines immediately. You don't want contamination. Then unbolt the actuator linkage and the compressor housing fasteners while supporting the turbo. This keeps the shaft from twisting. As you separate components, note orientation and fastener lengths. Those details matter for reassembly and balance later. With the turbo supported in a soft jaw vise, you remove the snap ring and loosen the compressor wheel nut. Counterhold the shaft gently. Once the wheel is off, inspect the shaft and bearings for radial play. Replace the cartridge or bearings and seals when tolerances exceed specifications. This prevents future failure. Clean oil galleries thoroughly. Use a 0.5 mm pick and solvent so flow is unrestricted. If the new wheel isn't matched, have it dynamically balanced. Finally, torque the nut to spec and reapply the snap ring. Reassemble the compressor and turbine housings in their original orientation, making sure oil feed and return lines are clean and correctly seated. Torque all bolts to the manufacturer's spec. Once fitted, prime the turbo by cranking the engine with fuel disabled or ignition off so oil circulates before start. This avoids dry starts. Then start the engine and monitor oil pressure, turbo spin sound, and boost response. If you hear whining, see smoke, or detect leaks, stop immediately. Check shaft play, line fittings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.